more than 50 years, I didn't care about my physical health and fitness at all. And it resulted to alarming health problems, which got worse in my early 50s. I was overweight at 85 kilos, and I had a big, fat belly. I had high blood pressure up to a BP of 155/90 in spite of taking 2 types of maintenance medicine. I lacked physical strength, balance, and stamina in doing my tasks. And I had poor sleep, frequent body pains, and low resistance to sickness. So, a year ago, I decided to embark on a journey to pursue better health and fitness. In my journey, I made big changes in my lifestyle in relation to 1. My diet, the kind and amount as well as the frequency of my eating. 2. My exercise. From almost zero exercise to regular weight and cardiovascular exercises. And 3. My sleep. At least 7 hours of good sleep daily. Just last June, I was able to complete my 1-year journey to better health and fitness. I lost weight, reduced my belly size, and lowered my blood pressure to normal levels. I experienced increase in physical strength, balance, and stamina. My sleep improved, body pains reduced, and I felt much better than before. In my coming videos, I will continue sharing about the big changes I made for a period of 1 year and the results to my overall health and fitness. Of course, my journey to better health and fitness didn't end last June. It will go on. So, I encourage all of you to start your own personal journey to pursue better health and fitness. Start now. Never say it's already too late or too hard for you, because as long as you are determined and disciplined, you'll achieve your goal. As my shirt says, just do it. So, see you again in my next episode. Thank you very much, and God bless.